Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this guide, I am going to show you the exact location of the Stella Montis Security Checkpoint key in Arcaders. This is a must-know key if you want to unlock loot crates and advance your blueprint progression, so make sure you watch it closely. We start in the Stella Montis area, one of the key zones in Arcaders. From here, you'll want to navigate carefully towards the security checkpoint. Pay attention to the landmarks along the way. The terrain, structures, and pathways all help you make sure you're on the right track. Following these visual cues can save you a lot of time and prevent you from getting lost. As you approach the checkpoint, keep an eye out for the exact spot where the key is located. Now, once you grab the Stella Montis security checkpoint key, remember why it's important. Keys in Arc Traders aren't just collectibles, they're tied directly to loot and blueprint progression. That means collecting this key gives you access to valuable crates and unlocks blueprints that help improve your weapons, armor, and overall builds. Here's a few extra tips. Plan your runs efficiently, even if you don't need the loot immediately. Picking up keys early can save you time in the long run. Stay aware of your surroundings. Some checkpoint areas may attract enemies or arc machines, so always be ready to retreat safely if needed. Use landmarks to navigate. Memorizing the environment around key locations will make sure faster and more efficient. And that's it. This is a quick focused guide designed to get you in and out efficiently while making sure you don't miss this key. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more arcade tips and guides, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a guide like this. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.